Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Future Way Next. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about Atlantic Immigration Program 2024, Path to Canada PR without work experience. Before we start, make sure to stick around till the end for all the info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, let's get into it. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this we'll talk about Atlantic Immigration Program AIP unlocking the path to Canada PR without work experience, embarking on the journey to Canadian permanent residence without the conventional requirements of work experience is not just a dream but a tangible reality through the Atlantic Immigration Program AIP. This groundbreaking initiative opens doors for individuals eager to make Canada their home, offering a streamline that values skill sets and education. In this video we unravel the intricacies of the AIP, providing a roadmap for those aspiring to secure their place in the vibrant Atlantic provinces. Whether you're a recent graduate or a skilled worker seeking a fresh start, the AIP stands as a beacon of opportunity, showcasing a pathway to Canada PR. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Let's jump into the video. Are you aspiring to immigrate to Canada with no prior work experience? Even as a fresh graduate boasting an IELTS score as low as CLB4 or CLB5, imagine bypassing the need for an Expressentry profile without age constraints and the opportunity for low-skilled candidates in NOC skill levels to apply for Canadian permanent residence. This isn't a dream. It's the reality offered by the Atlantic Immigration Program AIP in 2024. The AIP, initially known as the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program AI, has evolved from a temporary program to a permanent fixture catering to job positions in the 4 Atlantic provinces of Canada. In this video we'll delve into the intricacies of the Atlantic Immigration Program, covering the participating provinces, eligibility criteria, required documents, and the process to secure temporary work permits or permanent residence through this innovative immigration pathway. What is the Atlantic Immigration Program? The Atlantic Immigration Program stands out as an employer-driven economic immigration initiative designed for participating Atlantic provinces: New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador. As an employer-driven program, it aims to assist employers in these provinces to hire qualified candidates for positions that remain unfilled, but locally, with a processing time of just 12 months. And an application fee of $13.25 Canadian, including the right of permanent resident fee of $500. The AIP provides an efficient and accessible pathway to Canadian permanent residence. Importantly, applicants can apply from anywhere in the world, and the program is open to skilled foreign workers and international graduates. Eligibility criteria for the Atlantic Immigration Program for international graduates: 1 work experience. No work experience is required. For international graduates, fresh graduates can apply for permanent residence directly after completing their studies. 2 educational requirement: a degree, diploma, certificate, or trade certification of at least 2 years duration from a recognized post-secondary institution in any of the 4 Atlantic provinces. 3 residency applicants must have lived in one of the 4 Atlantic provinces for at least 16 months before graduating. 4 visa or work permit: possession of the necessary visa or work permit during the study period in Canada is a prerequisite for skilled workers. 1 work experience: at least 1 year, equivalent to 1,560 hours of work experience spread out over a minimum of 30 hours per week. The experience can be acquired through part-time or full-time positions with only paid hours considered. 2 educational requirement: a degree, diploma, certificate, or trade certification of at least 2 years duration from a recognized post-secondary institution in any of the 4 Atlantic provinces. 3 residency: while residency requirements are not specified for skilled workers, the AIP is typically designed to attract individuals committed to living and working in the Atlantic provinces. Applicants under both categories can find a list of designated institutions on the IRCC website. Benefits of the Atlantic Immigration Program: 1. No work Experience requirement for graduates. The AIP allows fresh graduates to apply for permanent residence without any prior work experience, offering a unique advantage for those seeking immediate PR after completing their studies. 2. Flexible work experience criteria for skilled workers. Skilled workers can accumulate the required one of work experience through part-time or full-time positions, providing flexibility and meeting eligibility criteria. 3. Global application. Applicants can submit their applications from anywhere in the world, eliminating the need to be physically present in Canada during the application process. 4. Diverse educational backgrounds. The program accommodates individuals with various educational backgrounds, including degrees, diplomas, certificates, or trade certifications, fostering inclusivity. 5. Short processing time. With a processing time of just 12 months. Offers a swift and efficient pathway to Canadian permanent residence. How to apply through the Atlantic Immigration Program. The application process for the Atlantic Immigration Program involves the following steps. 1. Determine eligibility. Confirm that meet the eligibility criteria for either the international graduate or skilled worker category. 2. Gather documents. Prepare the necessary documents, including educational certificates, proof of residency, and documentation related to work experience and visa or work permit. 3. Submit application. Submit your application through the designated channels, ensuring all required documents are included. 4. Processing time. Await the processing of your application with the program's efficient timeline, promising a response within 12 months. 5. Permanent residency. Successful applicants will be granted Canadian permanent residence, providing them with the opportunity to live, work, and contribute to the vibrant communities of the Atlantic provinces. Embarking on a journey towards Canadian permanent residence without the constraints of work experience, age limitations, or stringent financial criteria is now a reality thanks to the Atlantic Immigration Program AIP. Whether you're a recent graduate seeking immediate PR or a skilled worker eager to contribute to the vibrant Atlantic provinces, this comprehensive guide unravels the intricacies of the AP eligibility criteria and the application process. Work experience requirements. Unlike many immigration programs, the AIP allows flexibility in counting work. Whether you were self-employed, worked in Canada, or gained experience anywhere in the world outside Canada, your hours count. If you worked in Canada, it's imperative to have been legally authorized with a valid work permit during that period for those counting work. Experience during studies. Ensure that the working hours adhere to the student authorization limit of 20 hours per week. Educational qualifications. Education plays a pivotal role in AP eligibility, varying based on the skill type or level of your job offer. For jobs in NOC 0 or skill type or level, a Canadian 1-year post-secondary education credential or higher, or an educational credential assessment for equivalent study outside Canada is required. If the job offer falls under KNC BRC, a Canadian high school diploma or an ESSA for equivalent study outside Canada is necessary. Obtaining an ESSA can be done through designated services like West, and detailed instructions are available in an online video linked in the description. Language test requirements. Language proficiency is assessed through English or French language tests for NOC 0. A and B. A minimum CLB or NCLC 5 is required, while NOC requires at least CLB or NC4. Accepted test formats include DIALS or CPIE for English and TCF or TF for French. Settlement funds. The need for proof of funds is waived if you're already living and working in Canada with a valid work permit, making it advantageous for those securing job offers immediately after graduation or from their home country, as skilled workers. Proof of funds for those without a job offer. If you don't have a job offer, the AIP's proof of funds our requirements are significantly lower than other provincial nominee programs PNPs and the Expressentry program. Individuals applying alone need around $3,300 Canadian doll, $4,100 Canadian with a spouse, and $5,000 Canadian dollar with a child. In contrast, Expressentry proof of funds starts at over $133,000 Canadian dollar. For a single person securing a job offer, a designated employer list is available on the Atlantic Immigration website to apply. Choose a province. Explore job opportunities directly on the province's website and rest assured that the job offers are authentic. The list of designated employers allows you to filter searches by cities, ensuring a tailored job search job. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on future Way Next. That's it for today. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.